Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Jesus, the cornerstone. So, in ancient construction, the cornerstone set the direction, stability, and alignment of the infrastructure. Ephesians chapter 2 verse 20 declares Jesus as the cornerstone of God, new community, uniting Jews and Gentiles into one household. All teaching, identity, and mission align with him. His role ensures that the church stands firm because God himself established Christ as the unshakable foundation of salvation and spiritual growth. So, ayon po sa Ephesians chapter 2 verse 20, built on the foundation of the apostles and prophets with Christ Jesus himself as the chief cornerstone. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, Jesus is the cornerstone of the church. So, si Jesus ang cornerstone, meaning, ibig sabihin, siya ang pinakamahalagang bato na pinagbabasihan ng buong simbahan. Kung wala siya, hindi magiging matibay ang church. Lahat ng teachings, values, at direction sa church ay naka-anchor kay Jesus. Next is Jesus is the foundation of your family. Kapag si Jesus ang foundation ng pamilya, nagiging matibay ang samahan. Kahit may problema, trials, or misunderstandings. Hindi basta guguho ang pamilya dahil si Christ ang sandigan ng love, forgiveness, at unity. And Jesus is the compass for your decisions. Si Jesus ang gabay sa bawat decision mo sa career, relationships, finances, at future. Parang compass, tinuturo niya kung alin ang tama at kung saan dapat pumunta na kapag nalilito ka. And sa applications naman po, align your life and family to Jesus. So, i-align mo ang lifestyle, priorities, at values mo kay Christ. Ibig sabihin, tanungin mo lagi, pleasing ba ito kay Jesus? Isama siya sa prayers, decisions, at daily life ng pamilya. Apply the principle of Christ to your decisions. Gamitin ang principles ni Jesus tulad ng love, humility, obedience, forgiveness, at faith sa bawat choice mo. Hindi lang kung madali, kundi lalo na kapag mahirap. And achieve a beautiful and stable life built on Christ. And dahil lang po, maraming salamat.